create a producer class. So I'm creating a new class here. So I'm giving a name as a message producer. Okay, so this is my class name. I required a main method to execute it and click on finish button. Okay, so what exactly we are going to do? We are going to create one Kafka producer object and going to send a message to topic. Okay, so first I am going to create a Kafka producer. Okay, it is required a key and value, so I am going to only send a simple message as a hello world. So I am writing like this way. I am creating a one object as a Kafka producer equal to new Kafka. So what it is required, some of the things need to be passed. So it is demanding the properties we are going to pass. So this property is related to which broker you are going to use it. You want to send the data in the serialized way. So those are the things we need to be passed over there. So I am going to use this object. Okay, so let me add over like this way. Okay, so what I will do, it is asking to pass a properties. So let me create a one object is a property. I am going to use the Java util properties equal to new properties, new properties. Okay, so I am passing that object to over here. Okay, so now all the exceptions gone. Okay, now what we want to do over here is we are just going to send the message to send a message. Oh, again it is asking for something. It is a producer record, so those part also we need to be sent. Okay, so that object I need to be create producer record. This record would be a string and string. Okay, it is create the object new and producer. So it is asking for the topic or value. We have multiple constructor for this producer object, so we can use as per our requirement, but this is just a simple basic thing. So I'm just sending a message to a topic without any key or value specification. This partition it need to be stored, those kind of the thing we are I'm not going to consider over here. So it's directly I'm sending a message. So it is asking for the topic name. What is my topic name? So in our last session we have created a topic as a my first topic, right? And the message what you want to send. So I'm sending a message as a hello world. This is Java program. So this message I'm going to send it. Okay, now this and let me add record like this way. Okay, but still this program will never be work. There is no any compilation error, but we have to add all the details which is required to run the Kafka producer. So as I said in the bootstrap, you remember I always give you the broker name and all this thing. So again we have to give the broker name. Okay, so what I will do, I already did let me copy this thing and add me over here, then I will explain you what are the properties here. So if you let me, okay, so this is also it come up. So bootstrap server, here I'm giving the broker here I'm giving the local host where my broker is running in that port 9092, and I'm going to my key and value should be a serialized, so string serializer I'm going to use over here. Okay, so I think now we are good to send a message to a Kafka. Okay, so most of the things already I did it. Details I have passed, properties over there, then producer I have explained, and then message, sending a message. Perfect, fine. So now what we are going to do, we are going to start a consumer to consume the message. So this is my consumer command, and I'm going to read from my first topic. Okay, so consumer is ready to receive the message, and let me go through with my Java program. So I'm going to run this program. Okay, message is not received yet. Okay, so I think what is the issue over here? Okay, what I have to do, I have to call Kafka producer dot flush and Kafka producer dot close. I have to these two, then message will be go or consumed by the producer. So let's see. Yeah, the message is received by the console. So here this is a simple example which we have seen to sending a message from the Java program and reading it from the console. Now same we will see that we will write a consumer class and consume by that class itself. Okay, so we will see on the next video. Thank you for watching this.